Mama. Yes. Adam.
One more game.
Yeah.
Set here. iPhone.
Okay.
What's the other guy here? Although before we did here, oh, because that's here, the thing.
Okay.
That's that. So later, yes, we have the address. Overall, still a visit here. We are calling it yesterday. Yeah, that's here.
Yeah.
See, I call it. So, yeah,
so why I'm going to be a check. It is it off, man. Okay, okay, man. Okay, so what? Thank you, man. So, when your customer comes to the shop, you first of all listen to the person, listen to the complaint. Then, when you see the complaint, you now check it. So, in case you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Chibes Phone Repair. So, I fix phones for customer. So, when a customer come like this, he cannot just take the phone and start using it. You have to listen to the complaint. Listen to the complaint and you know what to do. You know the problem, then you now check it. If you can solve it by yourself, or you know someone that knows more than you that will help you to solve it. You know everything. There is no perfect person in anything, but you have to try your best to make sure that it fits very well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and share and comment where you are watching from. Thank you so much, my friends.